Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual.
Hello ladies and gents, and welcome back to your girls LaceMeLemon's channel. We're going to jump right in today as we always do. Our wig sponsor today is Unice Hair. Right now I'm just showing you guys everything that came in the packaging. This was a 13x4 pre-cut transparent lace wig. This was in a red brown color. It comes with the adjustable strap, and this is their breathable lace wig. You see it's vented in the middle so you could get to your scalp. It's pre-cut, so therefore it's an easy install. Like, this was the easiest install I ever did. It's very beginner friendly. Anybody could put it on. As you can see, my client is now rubbing her hands through it. It's no tangles or anything. I did pluck the knots a little bit, but not too, pluck the lace a little bit, but not too much. It comes very easy to install. Like, you can pop this wig, like you can see I'm popping it on her head. You could just get the wig and put it right on, style it how you want to, and you will be good to go. This wig was 24 inches, and like I said, this is their reddish brown color. The link for this wig will be in the description box below. Right now I'm just I'm going to give you guys a quick install of this wig and show you from the beginning how I got this beautiful look. If you don't have this wig, if you don't have this color, you need to get it. Like, this color was bomb. Unice, y'all did that with that color. Now y'all really did that. I love that. My client really loved the wig as well. With the ventilated caps, that's why I'll call them the ventilated caps. It's very breathable. Like I said, you can reach your hand in there, get to your scalp real good. You ain't got to worry about your hair getting covered up. Your scalp can actually breathe. Like, that's what I did love about this wig. And the adjustable band, you can adjust it yourself. Like, that was really the best thing that I really loved about it. The lace was soft. It was not hard, and it wasn't none of that. Like, it was giving HD. It definitely was giving HD, like, for real. The lace was very undetectable, you guys. So as you can see right here, I'm just going ahead, I'm melting that lace into my client's skin. I'm pressing it in. Like I said, this wig was very easy to install, so it's already pre-cut. So all you do is line that up with your client's hairline, which you put the glue at, and whatever you don't use, you could just cut that lace off. That's what I do. If I don't use it, I just cut it right off. But as you can see, guys, this is going to be a little talk through that I'm gonna do in this video today, just showing you guys what I do. So at this point, I think I'm going to hot comb her hair and cut out her ear tabs. That is very important. Make sure you cut out those ear tabs. I'm just splitting the hair, taking out what I don't need, and really focusing on that new hairline. So as you can see, like I'm doing, you want to go ahead and start plucking. This really helps, like, you know, customize your wig. And as you can see now, I'm going ahead and I'm going in like a swiggle motion, and I'm just cutting that lace off, and I'm making sure I carve out those ear tabs. And why I do that, because you don't want to cut it and it just be, you cut the hair too blunt, and then you got a bunch of hair that's right there that's left, and now you have to pluck that out. So basically, you want to go ahead and cut the ear tabs, and the wig fit perfectly around her ear too. You know, some wigs be laying on your ear. Their wig didn't. It fit really good. So as you can see, I'm adding my client's makeup to her lace, and now I'm going ahead and I'm parting out her baby hairs. I like to part out my baby hairs first before I melt my lace, just because it's like working in sections. I like to work in sections, so I like to get certain stuff out the way so I can just go ahead and focus on, you know, what I need to focus on at that moment.
So glad we got to link up. Yeah, taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. 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 Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya.
Look at that lace, y'all. Can you say melted, honey? I told you this is a process, baby. A process that you should be trusting. So right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and mold her baby hairs. I do a two-step melting process. So I'm going to go ahead and mold her baby hairs back now. And I like to mold my baby hairs with mousse. I just feel like it's way easier with mousse. I like to get them formed or whatever. So as you can see, I'm going in there and I'm taking my time and I'm making sure I mold my baby hairs the way I want them to go, not just any other way. I like to make sure I'm being very persistent with this. So at this point, I'm about to go ahead and flat iron the hair. I blow dry it because it was still wet on some ends. So now at this point, I'm just going ahead and flat iron the hair. Since I'm doing curls, I did a quick like quick press or whatever, because I wanted the ends to be kind of blunt. So I didn't want to do like a full curl. It's like a beach wave type kind of curl that I wanted to do. So as you can see, I went ahead and curl her hair. Now I'm going in and I'm molding my baby hairs like I told you with some holding spray. So I'm just molding them the way I want to. I go back in, I pluck them a little more to make sure they're not so thick, because I still want this to look very natural. So like I said, I just go in and I'm molding them.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
once I'm done molding my baby hairs, I'm gonna just go in and I'm about to start doing my fishtail braid. So, you know, with the fishtail braid, you just take 2 pieces and you just take hair from each side and you crisscross the pieces like you would do a regular braid, but at this point you only have two pieces of hair, and you're just taking bits and pieces off from your left to your right, from your left to your right. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and I'm braiding that braid down. You want to take your time with this because you do want your braid to look neat. You want it to look very visible. You don't want to rush this and your braid is looking crazy. So as you can see, I did a little bubble in the middle. That was the creativeness about this style. So I went ahead and did the little bubble piece in the middle because I feel like that just brung it out. So as you can see, child, that thing is nice. Like, it is cute. So now I'm just going ahead and I'm putting my finishing touches on everything. I'm taking some foundation and I'm just putting it into her part to just define this look, really, to bring it all out. So as you can see right here, I'm fluffing that hair out, honey, and it is so cute, you guys. This color, I told y'all, this color is like a must-have. It is definitely a must-have. Oh my god, y'all, what? Unice, y'all get this wig. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. And make sure you come back and turn your notification on. See you guys next time.